I'm so glad you are here. Let's learn sight words together. The first word is the word that is used every day. Here's an example. The dog is happy. Next, we will learn the wood, and this word is used to add things to our sentences. Here's an example. The boy and girl like pie. Now, we will talk about the word it. It is a short two-letter word that has many meanings. Here are examples. I want to buy it. Tag you are it. It is funny. Here is the three-letter word, you. The word you can be used instead of using someone's name. Example, you are pretty. Next, we are going to talk about the word to. This word is an action word. There are 3 ways to spell to, and each has a different meaning. To, and to. Here's an example of the first two. I am going to the store. The second to means also. Here is an example. I want an ice cream too. The last two is a number. Here is an example. I have 2 dogs. Here is the last sight word for today. This word means that whatever you are talking about is true. Here is an example. The dog is black. Great job! You learned all the words.